Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix ghost touches on DOOGEE smartphone. Okay, so first open up your settings. From here, scroll down a little, find the display and make sure that the adaptive brightness is disabled. And also if you have the something called the glove mode, if you have that feature, also turn it off. If it persists, simply clean the edge of the screen thoroughly using a clothing, really gently, and if it's still going, you can go straight all the way down into the system, click on system updates and check do you have an update possible. We can click on manually. In my case the system is up to date, but if you'll have possibility to download it, simply install and after that perform a reboot of your device. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.